Welcome to Boundary Ford, located at 2502 50th Avenue in the Lloydminster Border City. Today we're checking out this beautiful pre-owned 2015 Ford F-150 Platinum with the 708 package. Now the exterior color is a guard, and under the hood we have a 3.5-liter V6 EcoBoost engine paired to a 6-speed automatic select shift transmission. Now at the front we have our LED high-end low-beam headlamps, as well as our LED daytime running lights with a pair of fog lamps. We also have our front tow hooks and our engine block-heater connection with our front-facing camera. Over at the side, we have our 20-inch polished aluminum wheels wrapped in our all-terrain tires, as well as we have our retractable running boards with our chrome mirror caps and chrome door handles. We also have our privacy tinted windows in the rear and our twin-panel moonroof on top. At the rear, we have our trailer and tow package, which includes our 4 and 7 pin connection, as well as our trailer hitch. As well as we have our spare fifth wheel and our reverse sensors paired to our backup cameras, as well as a power tailgate. And inside our tailgate we have a tailgate step, and inside our box we have a spray-in bed liner. And at the rear window we have an embedded defroster with our power slide feature. At our interior we have tons of driver-friendly features, including lots of door storage, as well as ambient lighting with power locks and memory seating for the driver, as well as power windows and power adjustable and foldable mirrors with our blind spot information system. Over at our steering column, we have our LED lighting front of our mirrors, as well as our automatic headlamp dial, our fully telescopic steering wheel with our information trackpad and adaptive cruise control settings on the left, as well as our hands-free and entertainment and volume controls on the right, as well as we have our pre-collision warning system. And with our auto-dimming rearview mirror up top, we have our cabin lights, as well as our 3 garage door opener points and the beautiful twin-panel moonroof. And as we look at our seating, we have our platinum stamps with our leather, which has a fully adjustable seat with lumbar support for both driver and passenger. And as we look at our display cluster, you'll notice we have 79,673 kilometers. And over at our sync display touchscreen, we have phone connectivity, navigation, entertainment, and climate controls, including a heated steering wheel for the driver, as well as we can display our front face camera as well as your rear camera. And down below we have our controls for our sync, and just underneath we have our dual climate control area, which includes air conditioning and heating throughout the entire cabin, as well as air conditioned and heated seats for both driver and passenger. And underneath we have a 12-volt adapter with our aux in, dual USB ports, and an SD card. And over at our center console we have our manual option, which engages our shift points on the side of our knob, as well as our lane departure assist with our dual cup holders, and our center console with tons of storage underneath and 2 more cup holders at the rear. At the rear, passengers can enjoy tons of door storage with ambient lighting and power windows, and more storage in the rear of the driver and passenger seat. And at the back of our center console we have an AC outlet with our dual heated seats and a 12-volt adapter with our own ventilation system. And with our 60/40 bench seating arrangement, we have tons of legroom and lots of headspace to fit 3 passengers in the rear comfortably. If there are any more questions about this beautiful F-150 Platinum, please do not hesitate to contact our professional and friendly sales staff. We look forward to seeing you in store and answering any questions that you may have. And I would also like to thank you for shopping with us here at Boundary Ford.